Welcome back to another video. For this video, it's going to be the pre-analysis for Friday and the game plan as well. TLDR, I am neutral to bearish on indices. I am bearish on forex pairs such as Euro USD and British Pound USD. Heading over to the chart. Starting off from the daily time frame. Right now we are in the last day of the month, last day of the week, so it's better to be cautious and stick within the previous day's range. I personally do not think that we're going to take out the highs and lows of the previous day on Nasdaq and ES. YM, we're probably going to take out the previous day's low, I'm not too sure. So the higher probability play would be looking for internal liquidity to be taken out. That would be the easiest for Friday. Try not to push too hard. At the same time, we could be forming a swing high as well. If we form a swing high and we retrace lower, we would be playing within this range here from low to high. And once it tags 50% in one of the assets here, we would start to look for longs to take out this particular swing high. There is another scenario whereby the month opens up and then we run the highs first. So what happens after we run this high? I would anticipate a drop lower into the 50% of the current daily range. With that said, dropping down into the 1 hour time frame, same thing right here. I will be looking for a swing high to form after midnight open, and then you know the drill. Looking for Asia's low as the potential target, and that's pretty much it for the indices. Quite limited in terms of the amount of move that you could get. Heading over to Forex, I am bearish and I'm looking for the previous day's low. Looking at the close of the daily candle, it's obviously more bearish than the one presented on the indices. Dropping down into the 1 hour's time frame, you can see that the price is consolidating, compressing. It's not expanding higher like the indices is doing. It's forming like a bear flag. In this case, I'm not expecting the bear flag to fail, but for me, in order for me to look for or to open a short position, I will need a swing high after midnight, and same thing here, stop on above that swing high and then look for targets. Best case scenario, it provides me a 2R before taking out the previous day's low, and that could pretty much secure my exit. If not, I would have to look for the previous day's low as my exit right here. Potentially, it might want to form SMT on the lows with British Pound, depending on whether it wants to reverse on Friday, since we have been dropping for the majority part of the week. Right, some form of TGIF is to be expected, but we shall see how. And that's it for this video here. Short and sweet today. Hope you enjoyed this session here, and I will talk to you in the next one.